a Monday morning. Woke up with a different energy itself. Right now, I'm going to my capstone project, which I have to complete. So I put my PCB for the fabrication itself. So I have to collect from the college itself. So right now, I'm going to over there and picking up my PCB itself. Then later on, today I have a job, so I have to walk a lot. So I didn't have a time, so maybe I'll finish this first and then later on I'll see what to do. But again, though, every single day you woke up with a different energy. You had a chance, you give it your best, and next day, that way you sleep good and you think that you did a lot of things. And yeah, that's always I feel that when I don't walk, I couldn't sleep properly, but when I walk, I feel that, oh yes, I did something better than yesterday I did it. So just don't compare yourself with anyone, because someone have accelerators, someone have stairs, someone doesn't have the stairs, they have to climb. So there's all opportunities. What opportunity you have, just use it and make better out of it. That's what I say. Where you at, it doesn't matter. Where you start, it matters. If you starting from zero also, it will build your character, it will build your curiosity, it will build your personality, where you grow from and where you want to reach. So this is a whole journey. It Nothing comes in one day, one night, 10 days, 10 night, 1 year. Even though if you're getting, it's maybe luck, it's maybe something else that you got an opportunity. But if you're working hard, you eventually creating opportunities. Going to college itself, nobody's there, so I planned that I'll go to gym, complete my workout session itself, and then I'll go back to college itself to make a PCB. And after 2 o'clock, I'm busy with my work itself, because my work gonna start it from the 2 o'clock. So till 11 I don't have a time. So it is what it is. What to do? That's how you shift your plan. So I make all of those plan what I have to do for the next day. But if it doesn't work, I need to go for the another walk, because that way it simplifies your task and it's way easier if you give yourself a timeline or deadline itself. Like, just do it from tomorrow. Just do this works for tomorrow. Even though it doesn't work, other work you should have prepared, that way you just fastly move on to the another work. So that's how you work consistently. And yeah, that's what I do. For the next day I plan 100 things which I have to do, and out of that, if 70% is done and 30% is not working according to my plan, don't stress out. Just do whatever work you need to do for the another day. That's what I say. Just work hard, work consistent, and be prepared for any situation. Tomorrow, who knows? I'll be maybe alive or die, but it's a way. It's a way of that living like that thing. It's pretty hard and pretty courageous. So be prepared. Be prepared yourself for the toughest situation, for the hardest situation, what you can do, and then later on itself, people gonna align. That's how the world works.
40,000 square feet off of this pain. Look at me, I got heartaches. He don't know what heartache is.
Just completed my workout itself, and right now just going back to college itself. I don't know what makes me a dry. What hunger do I have? I don't know itself. But I'm too hungry towards my goal, and that I never want to change that. I'm hungry. I want to be hungry, and I want to be nice. And what I belong to, where I came from, I know each and everything, but I learn. That's the main thing. Like, I learned from my childhood itself, from any of those people, and implementing those things in my life. Like, it's a completely different journey. Look at this view. Look at me, as usual, going to my place to make music. And what one thing I realized today itself, talking with my mom, and I was wondering that when you're just grinding, you know what you're doing, you know what you're capable of, and it's all about the confidence itself. If your confidence is not good, nothing gonna change. Be confident about yourself, what you're doing, you know, just grind hard, and one day the day gonna come.
So many wanna take my place, but they don't know what it takes. ना ना ना, खुद गर्ज बनना भी सही लगता है, अब कौन देगा धोखा थोड़ा भय लगता है.